We've all been there. We see or hear something wrong. An injustice, a distortion of facts, an unkindness, a blatant lie. And a voice inside us whispers, "Say something." But then another voice, louder and more insistent, screams, "Stay silent, it's safer that way." The fear of confrontation, of judgment, of negative repercussions can be powerful. In that moment, silence feels like the easier choice, the path of least resistance. But what if that silence comes at a hidden cost? What if choosing not to speak up creates a debt, a psychological burden that we carry long after the moment has passed? Each time we witness something that goes against our values and choose silence, a small part of us shrinks. We accumulate guilt, regret, and a growing dissonance between our inner beliefs and our outward actions. Over time, this can erode our self-respect and create a sense of powerlessness. While the immediate fear of speaking up is real, the long-term consequences of silence can be far more damaging. It's not just about the impact on others, it's about the impact on ourselves. So, what is the price of your silence? And is it a price you're truly willing to pay? Your voice is an act of self-respect. It doesn't need to be a shout. It can start as a whisper. Here are 4 ways to begin honoring your values, one small step at a time. First, practice the private rehearsal. In a low-stakes moment, imagine you're about to speak up. How would you phrase it? Rehearse that sentence in your mind or out loud when you're alone. This builds your mental muscle without the risk. Repeat and envision it play out. Next, start with a tiny truth. Don't aim for a grand confrontation. Start by simply correcting a small factual error or expressing a minor disagreement respectfully. This is not about winning, it's about exercising your voice. Third, keep a why log. When you choose silence, don't judge yourself. Instead, jot down the moment and ask, why did I choose silence? Over time, you'll uncover the fear, the doubt, or the social pattern that's holding you back. This is a major step towards dismantling this innate inhibition. It's not common, but surely very useful. Finally, remember the ripple effect. The integrity you build by speaking up, even in a small moment, doesn't just affect the situation. It creates an internal ripple of self-respect that strengthens your core. You are worth that small act of courage, and much more. Therefore, be conscious to use your mind as a tool, not a trap. Have the courage of your conviction. Don't be caught up in that melody of regret, replaying how things would have been different if you had only just said or did something. Sometimes, the price of silence can lead to avoidable disastrous consequences. Your voice and action matters. If this resonates with you, kindly click the like button, share and subscribe for more deep insights. Verus, Mundial. Everyday truths that matter.